back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to check chemical equation in Chemix. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to check chemical equations in Chemix, all you gotta do is simply go to Chemix. Once you're in your Chemix, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Now to check chemical equation in it, you need to write the unbalanced equation using its smart text feature. Example, H₂SO₄, CuSO₄, 5H₂O and stuff like this. And after you have done this, you can either manually balance it by adjusting the coefficients or use Chemix integrated equation balancer tool, ensuring atoms match on both sides. After adding coefficient numbers in front, Chemix automatically formats formulas, and its dedicated balancer helps with complex equations, showing mass mole conversions. So this way you can simply use or check chemical equations in Chemix. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.